Hello guys, it's me again. So today we are playing GTA again. We're gonna do the Cayo perico heist. Yeah, we're gonna do it solo, but this time, here are the fact that I keep failing the elite challenge. Well, that's not gonna happen anymore because after all my lessons, everything that I done, well, now we're gonna do it again. But this time, hope we don't fail. In our approach, we'll be taking the velum. Because I know I found out there's best loots. There are better loots at the airfield, so I decided to go for it. No, that was crack shot because, well, just in case. Well, I mean just in case if I see enemies in long ranges, yes. That's what I'm talking about. And you ask, hey, where's the supply shop though? Well, the answer, it's at the main dock. Yes. So we finished this prep, and now let's begin. I kind of bought a lot of new cars, by the way. Okay, let's hope we don't fail this time. I know everything in the entire game now. The Juggernaut is buffed. That's what I know. Juggernaut inbox boys, yes. No kill allies, yes sir. I'll get armor just in case. Let's do it. Oh good, everything's good now. Compound entry point. We're gonna take the supply truck. Any escape. I'm gonna choose main dock. I don't know why. I need to buy weapon stash. Perfect. Weapon loadout, check. Okay, let's do it. Let's go. Attempt 2 again. Just getting hit. We're gonna try to do elite challenge. Let me guess. We're doing this in the storm, aren't we? Why? How I know? It's raining. Do you hear it? There, I can feel my controller rumbling. Okay, now this is an interesting... Whoa, what the hell? I can't see a thing. Okay. Okay, boys. This is an interesting challenge. Do Cayo perico in the worst weather possible. Okay. I think that's a challenge. Let's do it, I guess. First, get my weapons. Loot up and get the clothes. So, yeah. So we can get out there without anyone noticing me. The car just left. And the cocaine is at the top, so we need the forklift. Avoid that guard. Yeah, he's not gonna look at me. He's just gonna go there to the hangar. Well, what the? Oh, okay. I thought the guard was gonna come inside like, hey, what is going on there? The guard is a sushi baka. I remember one time Mohammed was like talking about that secret room right up there, but I did care after all because, well, I knew it. I know it, so yeah. Just jump in there. Can you jump, buddy? Can you jump? Wait, I can't jump. What? Wait, let me see. We're gonna try to do elite challenge, but if we fail, well, no problem. We don't need to do it. What matters, try to do it first try. But we can do the challenge if we want. Ruby's kind of pissed. There seems to be men moving in. I think those are just like patrol. Okay, that's one. Let's get the other one. Alright, great. That's them. Okay, now we need to get something. Perfect. That's objective number 2 completed. Get clothes. Now time for the thing I must do. Now the guards don't know who I am. They'll think that I'm just... There. So we're gonna do the old strat. So you guys remember, you know YouTuber random weird things, right? Oh well, I'm gonna do the same strat like I did in the Garanto. If you guys see where I'm going, just remember it's from random weird things. I learned it from YouTube. Nice, that's good. The stormy weather will reduce the island's guards' visibility. So they will be a bit blind. Oh yeah, because it's foggy. That's understandable. Also realistic too, because well, I can't see in the fog. If I can, then what are the odds? I know where the truck is. We just have to like say hello to the guards while we pass by there. I would just say, "Good day, sir. I'm here for a delivery. I picked up." Okay, bye. Perfection. Acquire truck. Check. Okay, great. Now we can access the place. Who was saying that? That's my theory. Who was saying that? Sorry, it's just a bit intense that I'm doing this within the challenge. But you ask, hey, how am I gonna get out there without being caught? That's an easy question to say, my friend. Well, how I'm gonna do that? Well, here's your answer. How can I escape? I'll just like jump off the cliff and swim. Simple as that. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna do it. Crazy, right? Well, it's the fastest way I know, so yeah, it is crazy at the same time. But this time, we're not gonna kill friendlies. I know what to do now. Screwing up will now be a non-option. If I fail, then I have to restart the entire thing again. There we go. I just have to wait till the checkpoint opens. Whoa, it's so foggy that... Now. Hello, sir. Please let me in. I am delivering some important cargo. Just kidding. I'm here to get some cargo. Okay, that's another step completed. Final step, acquire. Nice keys, perfection. Sorry, I just made my spelling wrong there. Go for the safe. I have a bit of a risk of being caught, so. Wait, I know a safer way there. Use the elevator, but that's gonna waste a bit of time, so. Nah, whatever. You know what, screw it. I'm not gonna go for the safe. I will. Never mind. That'll be last, for now. At least. Wow, that was easy. Well, nice. Nice. Okay, cool. The game has given us a time save. Once we go for the save, let's get the hell out of here and we're all done, buddy. After that, get out of there, and that's what I call an elite challenge. Also, I know the perfect timing when to smack the guards, so that's something else. El Rubio seems a bit mad today. He must fix his anger soon. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, primary target completed. That's another checklist. Last checklist, grab the loot. That's it. And you're done. The Juggernaut. I'll wait till the Juggernaut is out or he moves. Okay, good. We can go. We only have like a 3-second window. Extra guards just arrived. Be careful. Okay. It's just the fact that it's so scary I'll be caught any second because of what the guards did. Yeah, I'm not joking. It feels like it. That's why this Cayo's intense. Okay, he didn't see it. Also, remember the body that you saw earlier? Well, the Juggernaut did saw it, so we're good. Okay, that's our final contract, or checklist. Now, final objective, get the hell out of there. And call it a day. Whoa! Yeah, I forgot the Juggernaut turns, so yeah. After that, I can just walk out there like nothing ever happened. Let's go! Nailed it! Finally, another whoa! It's so foggy, what the hell? I can't see. Just kidding, I do, but the fact how foggy it is, I can't. Alright, that's what I call elite challenge. Now get the hell out of there. That's our final objective. And after that, we're done. Okay. I was actually pressing the shooting button, but like the R2. I was trying to press R2, but the game didn't respond, so. No, it's not the game. It's my controller. It didn't respond, so. Yeah. Moves. Ah. Anyway, we're now escaping. So yeah. Anyways, I will see you at the cutscene, guys. Alright. We're almost outside the map. After that, we call it a day. Or should I say, successful Cayo Perico Elite Challenge. Let's go! We did it. I mean, we hella did it. Finally, my first time doing the Elite Challenge. I feel so happy now. Now let me see the results. Yeah, back in Los Santos. Why am I carrying 2 duffel bags? That's a good question. Why though? Alright, we're done. Let's see what the game wants to say to us. If I did the Elite Challenge or no. This is very promising. Yeah, that's my cut. Let's go! We did it! Yeah, boy! Yep, we did it, guys. The first time I have ever done the Elite Challenge solo while recording. Ah, thank God. We finally did it. After all of the agony and pain I've been having, we did it. A heist done. Perfect team song, not gonna lie. This is the when you complete the heist, the Elite Challenge while recording for the first time. That's the feeling. Anyway, boys, that's all for today. Like and subscribe for more Cayo videos, and sooner I'll be doing it with the boys. Anyway, see ya!